Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this short tutorial video, we're going to teach you a simple trick how you can create lined paper in Microsoft Word. Yes, there's a simple trick you can apply to do this, and I'm going to show you really quickly how to do that. So what you want to do, guys, is launch a Word document, a blank new Word document. And there's basically no direct way how to convert a blank document or sheet like that into a lined paper, but we can apply a simple trick. So what you want to do, guys, is simply head over to the Insert section here in the top left corner and select a table, for instance, by clicking on Insert Table here. That is going to allow you to create a custom table with a custom number of columns and rows. So what you want to do is use only one column here and add as many rows as you like. So for the sake of this tutorial, let's go with, let's say, 20 rows. And after that, confirm by clicking on OK here. That's going to add that table to your document. Now we're almost there, guys. So what you want to do after that is simply highlight your entire table with your left mouse, just like that. And simply head back to the home section here at the top panel and head over to the border section here inside paragraph. So what you want to do is click on that arrow down icon here next to borders and select outside borders, just like that. Is going to convert your table into a set of lines. So what you want to do in the final step, guys, is simply highlight all of your lines again, just like that. With your left mouse, press Ctrl C on your keyboard and simply left click here below your table and press Ctrl V to duplicate it. And after that, simply repeat the previous step, highlight that table here, go to the border section and select outside borders. So that's basically it, guys. Now, as you can see, we have two sheets of paper, little lined paper actually like that. So you may use that for your documents, for orientation, for instance. So super simple, as you can see. Hope you enjoyed the video, got some real value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.